Hey guys, this is Mooregirl and welcome back to my channel. Well, today I'm going to do my hair. Yes, this hair is gotten so thick and curly, so I decided to go back with the old-fashioned, yes, perm. So I had my hair natural for the longest, but you see how long it's getting, and it's so thick and it's so curly that it's starting to get to the point where by the time I keep getting it cut, I'm spending time and money on that. I like it curly, but I think I'm going back to straight for a perm at the moment. So what I'm gonna do is show you real quick. I'm gonna listen to some music, perm my hair. All right, guys, let's get started. Guys, so I have everything here. I have my perm brush, my comb, my petroleum jelly. I'm doing here in my room because I want to sit down at the desk. I didn't want to do in the bathroom and stand up. So we're going to see everything that's in the box. Of course, you guys have perms before. You have your base. So you have your activation. Of course, that goes in with your perm that activates the perm. You have your creamy shampoo. It's usually a neutralizing shampoo that stops the process from the perm. And then your conditioner. All right, guys, let's get started on this process. So just make sure you have not been scratching your hair, that everything is doing well. And also it comes with gloves. Your stick to stir. I like to use my other gloves, but it always comes with gloves. The gloves is in here, guys. Okay, and read your instructions first before you do your hair. Okay, so let's put the gloves on first. All right, we're gonna listen to some music and we're gonna perm this hair, this thick, curly, woolly hair. I did color my hair a couple weeks ago, so, you know, and I want to make sure because I don't want it to be over processed, so either I'll do a perm or S-curl. It's still a process. All right, so since my hair is extremely short, it won't take that long. It should be no more than about 15 minutes till I smooth it out. And I have the comb to smooth it out. Wash it out with the shampoo, and that will stop the process. Okay, so let's get started. And this is what the cream looks like. I always keep my box. So as you do this, make sure everything is thrown back in the box. All right, so now I have my petroleum. So I'm gonna go and base my scalp all over and in my ear. The same as when I did from my color. So when I do my make sure this is protected here. Okay, so next. Y'all see that? Make sure it's all in there unless you're doing a touch-up. Try not to spill. I just spilled like a drop of the oil. Make sure you stir it thoroughly. was nice and creamy. The next thing you do is get salad boost. I want it not lumpy but creamy. I would give it like 5 minutes. Nice and creamy. Make sure you get around the edges. Almost look like a whipped cream. Make sure there's no lumps. Should be no lumps. Okay. Okay, I have my towel. Get an old towel that, you know, that you just keep around for throwaway. Okay. Finish this. Goes in the box. Finish that. Put my gloves back on. Long. Look how long my hair got. Remember I got my hair cut and it was like this short? doesn't burn. So make sure you do not scratch your hair a lot. Press it out, smooth it out. Still have hair, nothing came out. Look at your time. Okay, time is almost up, about a few more minutes. Okay, so straight down. And I'm just gonna leave it straight down, guys. I'm just tired of this. Would I let it grow out? I don't know. I like natural, but it's too much work. It's not as easy. So okay. All right, it's about time to wash this out. I don't want to be bald-headed. All right, so make sure you take everything off. Inside out like this. And just make sure you wash this thoroughly. So I still have a lot left over because I don't have that much hair. So. And I still have the Vaseline right here. All right. That's it. So I'm gonna wash these two. And then next is shampoo and conditioner. All right, so I'll be back after I wash it all out, okay? Let's see how it goes, all right? And I don't think it's going to remove my color. All right, okay, be back.
Yeah, you think you got the best of me, but just because I'm giving you my love for free, are things not for real? You've been telling everyone about us, but you are not the only one I call for fun. Late night to hear love guns. No, you won't see that I'm lying to be on my own, on my own. No, you don't hear when I told you how fear we are done, that we